Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm gonna give you a quick overview of how to create levels in Unreal. There is basically two methods to creating the levels, but they produce very different results and a lot of people get confused by it. So the first and the easiest method is to go into Content Drawer, right click, and then you have level. You can then name your level whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it New World. Open it, and as you can see we have completely empty level with nothing in it. Now this can have its uses. For example, if you are creating main HUD through the level, then you can do that, but for a lot of people they don't want this. They want something that already has some lighting in it, some skybox, etc. For that we can use the second method, which is my favorite. And let's go into the file and select a new level, and this will give you four options of what kind of level you want to make. So first we have basic. This one is pretty much like a all-rounded level. You can use it for pretty much anything, and it has some basic functions, etc. Quite literally a basic. Then we have open world. This is a new addition kind of to Unreal Engine 5, and it basically serves for open world games where you have large open world. So whichever one you want to choose, there's also empty level of that. So we have empty level. This is basically the empty level of basic, but that has the same settings, but it's empty. It doesn't have any lighting in it or anything. And then the same for open world. So I'm gonna select the basic and hit create. And as you can see, I zoom out a bit. We have the skybox, which is like the default Unreal Engine skybox, and skysphere. We have directional light. This serves as our sun. We have skylight. Then we have simple floor and player start here. So with that created, we need to also save your level. So go into the view and just press Ctrl S. This will prompt up this window, and then we can save our level. You can navigate it to wherever you want. I'm just gonna call it level 2, and then we hit save, and that's basically it. Now we have our level saved, and we can open it and switch between the two that we have created. So I have a new world, which as you can see is empty, and then I can double click level 2. We are in the basic world. Okay, so now that we have created the levels, I'm gonna quickly show you how to make it so that the level that you created is opened automatically when you open the project in Unreal or in the game. For that, we're going to go into the Edit, Project Settings, then on the left side under Project into Maps and Mode. And then in the default maps, we have Editor Startup and Game Default. Editor Startup map is pretty self-explanatory. It's basically what map is going to be open when you first launch Unreal, or rather when you open this project in Unreal. And then Game Default map is the first map that's going to be open once you packaged and exported the game. Okay, that about does it for this video. Like I said, it's a really simple quick overview of how to create levels. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe, it helps out a lot. And thanks for watching, see you in the next one, bye!